Hi kids. Kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C, D. A to Z. Black color, pink color, sky blue color, green color, yellow color, red color, brown color, orange color, green color, violet color, pink color and blue color. Black color, A. Green color, B. C. D. E. F. Kids, we are tracing letter G. G. Violet color. H. Pink color. I. J. K. L. M. N. Red color. O. Orange color. P. Q. R. S. T. U. Green color. V. Sky blue color. W. X. This is letter X. Y. Y. And this is letter Z. Z. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.